here's my new cutting machine. I had to get another one because it was hard for me to keep up with orders with just one machine. So I got another Cricut. And I think I'm gonna move this shelving unit and then bring back the chrome one that I took from here and use that for my machines. And then I'm also gonna move my shipping station and also this shelving. So what I ended up doing was take the shelving that I had here before with my maker, and it's this one right here, and then I put on wheels because these don't come with wheels, and then it was only built halfway, so I built it all the way because I needed more room, because I wanted to take one of these smaller white shelvings. Instead of using the chrome one, I wanted to use the white one, so I was able to do that because the other one I want to use for my machines. So here are my machines. Now this isn't gonna stay exactly like this because I have a different way of how I want to organize my vinyls. I won't be using these little bins anymore. I actually got my package today for that, but I don't have time to reorganize this whole thing today, so I'll leave that for another video. And this is where my shipping station is now, and I think it's a lot better on this side. I'm also going to reorganize this. It's going to be different. So, and then here is now it's nice because now I have like all my inventory on one side instead of having some here and some on the other side.